Welcome to another video from our BMC YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clean up the centralized configuration form from a Smart IT perspective. The AR system configuration component setting form on the AR server contains Smart IT server references. This form needs to be cleaned up if we are seeing invalid Smart IT server names. This can happen when the environment has been cloned, when the database has been restored, let's say from a production database into a lower environment, or even when a server has been repurposed. Okay, first I'm going to show you the Smart IT servers that I have listed in the centralized configuration. Here you can see I have two Smart IT server names. Actually, the first one is an invalid name, so that is the one we want to remove. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a backup of the current centralized configuration. This is in case we need to revert back these changes. In here you can provide any name that you want for the backup file. And we're going to hit backup. This process takes about a minute to complete. Once it is done, you will see the new backup file listed here. In case you need to revert back these changes, you can do it directly from this form using the Restore Selected Backup. Next, we're going to open up the AR System Configuration Component form. And we're going to search by type. We're going to do com.bmc.arsys.smartit. We click search. And as you can see, I have the two Smart IT server names that we saw on the centralized configuration. I'm going to select the one that we want to remove, and I'm going to hit delete. We can click on the refresh button just to make sure it's no longer there. Okay. And now we're going to go back to the centralized configuration. This is just to validate that we're no longer seeing the invalid Smart IT server name. As you can see, there is only one. And if I click on it, it is showing the correct setting. Now, we could also have the opposite scenario where no Smart IT server names are listed in the centralized configuration. In this case, we can use the Smart IT CCS configuration utility to add the missing data to the CCS form. This is an out-of-the-box utility that can be found in Smart IT 1805 and later versions, and it is located under the Smart IT install directory. You can find it as Smart IT CCS configuration.zip. If you unzip this file, you can find a readme.txt file. It is recommended for you to review this file before you execute this utility. In here you will find all the steps needed to run the command. These are the steps you need to follow in order to clean up the centralized configuration form from a Smart IT perspective. For more videos, please find us at BMC Remedy and Discovery YouTube channel. Thank you.